Good morning, students of class 9. You're welcome back to the e-classes now. Today we are doing geography, we are doing climate and have reached the hot weather season and the characteristics features. We'll talk about the characteristic feature of the hot weather season. So now there are altogether 8 points over here. We'll go one by one. A striking feature of the hot weather season is the loo. During hot weather season, or you can say during summer, we can experience very hot weather, hot winds starts blowing, and it is popularly known as loo in northern India. So this is the most striking feature of the hot weather season, that loo. So now, number 2, these are strong, gusty, hot, dry winds. These are hot and dry winds blowing during the day. When the temperature is very high, the hot and dry wind blows in the northern plains of India and the northwestern part of India. Dry, hot, dry winds blowing during the day over the northern India and northwestern India. Towards the north and northwestern. Here, this loo is experienced by the people very often. It is very risky and dangerous. Direct exposure to these winds, if a person is exposed to these winds, it may even prove to be fatal. Fatal means dangerous, serious. Very often people, they fall down, they fainted. Many of them, they have lost their lives because of this loo. It's a hot and dry wind that blows in the northern and northwestern part of India. It is very fatal. So direct exposure must avoid. We must avoid exposure to these direct exposure to these hot winds. Dust storms are very common. Dust storms are common during the month of May in northern India. In the month of May, when during the summer season, very hot, so everything becomes very dry and dust storms are very common in the month of May in northern India. These storms, sometimes these storms bring relief. It brings relief as they lower the temperature of the area. So as they lower the temperature and may bring slight rain. Sometimes these storms, dust storms, bring light rain and cool breeze, so the people get relief from the heat of the sun, summer heat. Number 6, this is also the season of localized thunderstorms associated with violent wind and heavy downpour, rain with hail. This is the time that sometimes associated with localized thunderstorms with heavy downpour or accompanied by hail. So, in West Bengal, these storms are known as Kal Baisakhi. These storms where hailstones also fall and sometimes heavy rainfall, these are localized thunderstorms and it is known as Kal Baisakhi in West Bengal. Now, number 8. Let's talk about number 8. Towards the end of summer, as the summer is drawing near, as the summer draws near, end of that summer draws nearer, as the summer ends, pre-monsoon showers are very common. Pre-monsoon showers are very common. Just before rainy season, just before the monsoon showers, light summer monsoon showers are very common. They help in the early ripening of mangoes. These monsoon showers, pre-monsoon showers, help the ripening of mangoes and known as mango shower in Kerala and Karnataka. In Kerala and Karnataka, these mango showers, these pre-monsoon showers are also called mango showers, and they help in the ripening of mangoes in South India. So that is in Kerala and Karnataka, and they are also called mango showers. pre-monsoon showers are called mango showers in Kerala and Karnataka, as they help in the ripening of mangoes. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for paying so much attention in your class. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Read and learn at home as well. So we are doing from page 33. It's written over here and it's written over the hot weather season, and we are talking about characteristic features. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and we'll talk about advancing monsoon. We'll talk about advancing monsoon in our next class. So that's all. Thank you very much.